Can you go even one day without eating carbohydrates? Most people don't believe they can. And this limiting belief is the single biggest reason why they can't even lose weight. But going without carbs is much easier than you think if you know how to make delicious low-carb treats. And I'm gonna prove it to you in this video. So for those of you who don't know me, my name's Thomas DeLauer, and I'm the #1 most subscribed to ketogenic diet expert on YouTube. And if you don't know, a ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carbohydrate diet that puts your body into a fat-burning state known as ketosis. Now, I personally lost close to 100 pounds of fat using the ketogenic diet alongside exercise and other elements of a healthy lifestyle. And today, I'm a huge keto evangelist, so I talk about how great it is at every single opportunity I have. I believe that keto is the fastest and most powerful way to lose weight, and it's surprisingly easy to stick to as well if you're doing it right. But just a few years ago when I was overweight, I was a typical keto skeptic. See, when I first heard of the ketogenic diet, my first reaction was that I didn't think I could really do it. I didn't think I could give up bread or pasta or french fries or candy or any of those other high-carb foods that I really enjoyed. But I discovered that eating less of these foods is far easier if you know how to make delicious keto-friendly meals and snacks. So I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it can be to eat keto in this video. You don't have to deprive yourself, and in fact, you'll be eating better than many people who aren't even trying to lose weight. Okay, so let's talk about what breakfast would usually look like on a ketogenic diet. For me, it usually looks something like this. When I eat breakfast, I'll start the day off with a generous portion of bacon, maybe some eggs, or an omelet on some days. And this is probably gonna shock you, but many days I'll have some pancakes too. Yep, pancakes on a ketogenic diet. How is it possible for me to eat pancakes and stay in ketosis? It's because these are ultra low carb pancakes made with almond flour instead of regular flour. See, they're absolutely delicious, and with them, I don't miss my carbs at all. Hopefully you're starting to get the idea. You can lose weight very fast with keto, and you don't have to deprive yourself. You just have to learn how to make keto-friendly versions of your favorite treats. So if you wanna learn more about my approach to the ketogenic diet, you can check it out at SixPackAbs.com. I'll show you how you can make losing weight with keto simple, and I'll show you some of my best recipes for keto treats that you can use to make eating less carbs so much easier. Okay, so let's talk about lunch for a second. So for lunch, I'll typically enjoy a big salad. Okay, this is gonna be topped with salmon and delicious full-fat dressing. And yep, many days I'll even have a sandwich as well. What's the secret? Well, I buy keto-friendly bread from Whole Foods rather than regular bread. It tastes amazing and only has 1 gram of net carbs per slice. I'm sure you're getting the idea by now. Following a ketogenic diet isn't as extreme as you may have thought, and you don't have to be depriving yourself. You just need to know how to make ketogenic versions of your favorite high-carb foods. And that way, you can still enjoy them in moderation. All right, so let's talk about dinner for a second. So here's an example of a typical meal that I would eat for dinner. Okay, it's gonna be a bunch of well-seasoned steamed veggies. It's gonna be a little bit of chicken, maybe some avocado, and possibly even have eggs for dinner. I love eggs, so why the heck not? I feel stuffed after eating a meal like this, and I'm sure you can see why I think it's ridiculous that people think keto is depriving yourself when I'm actually eating meals like this every single day. But you haven't even seen the best part yet, dessert. Here's an example of what I'll typically enjoy. My ultra low carb cheesecake. It's just as tasty as a high carb cheesecake, and it satisfies my sweet tooth completely. Now, I hope seeing these types of meals that I eat in a day has helped you overcome your limiting beliefs about the keto diet. You don't have to deprive yourself to get the weight loss benefits of keto. You just have to know how to make the right foods and how to make the right choices. And that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in the next video. You can watch that full video presentation at SixPackAbs.com. I'll teach you how to make everything that I showed you today, plus many, many more mouth-watering treats and meals. Not only this, but I'll also teach you more about how you can use the ketogenic diet to lose weight. I'll show you the scientific proof that a keto diet is safe and effective, and I'll teach you exactly how you can start losing weight with keto yourself. And once you get my keto recipes, I challenge you to try eating keto yourself for just one day. Just one day of meals like this is all it's gonna take for you to realize that eating low carb is easier than you think, and that a keto diet is something that you really can do. You can watch my entire video presentation at SixPackAbs.com. And I'll see you in the next video.